Hello, I'm Bobby Valentine, here to walk you through the Sociercise application. This application lets you do all sorts of things. You can do an individual workout, you can race in real time against other users, you can log other workouts that you've done outside of Sociercise, and you can set and track your goals. So in order to get started, let's hit the login button. From this button, you can sign in with your Facebook account, or you can create a free account with Sociercise. Once you create an account with our website on Sociercise.com, you'll have access to the website and you'll have your own personal locker room where all of your running data will be tracked. You'll be able to see graphs and things like that. So I recommend you register for a free account. So that's what I've done, and I'm going to tap I already have an account. And here we just import our username and password and log in. Now that we've logged in, we're back at the home screen, and the first thing I want to talk to you about is our goals section. So let's tap on the goals, and here you see you have a current goal, and you can select a new plan, and the goals range from distance and time and calories to weight loss. So let's go ahead and create a new plan by tapping New Plan, and so we'll select the start date, and we'll start it today, and we'll do a duration of 1 week and a target of 10 miles and a time of 3 hours. And let's say we want to burn 1,500 calories during this week, and we want to lose 2 pounds in the week. And so in order to calculate our weight loss, we need to tell the program what our actual weight is right now. And so right now we will put that in, and we'll tap Save Plan. So we get this little warning message that says we already have goals in progress, and do we want to save those or move on with the new goals? And so yes, I want to start with new goals. And so now we tap the current goal button, and we see our current goals. And if you see there, it says I've already completed 1 mile. Well, that's because I've done this. I've logged a workout. I tapped Log Workout down at the bottom, and I can type an activity. Let's say outdoor running, and we've covered 1 mile, and we did that today in 8 minutes. And we just log that workout. We also have the opportunity to share it on Facebook and tweet it on Twitter. But now if you notice, when I tap the home button, I go back home and my goals changed. See, it calculated my percentage of my goals that are complete. So that's a great thing, and the reason I suggested you do that first is that so when you do an individual workout, which is where we'll go now, and we can select indoor, outdoor, but whenever you do one of these, it will automatically update your goals and your progress. So let's tap Indoor Workout, and we have a configuration process that we like you to run the first time you use the application on a treadmill. And so we'll go ahead and tap Yes. And what our configuration process does is it asks you to run for 3 minutes at a certain speed on the treadmill. And by doing this, it lets us calculate your stride frequency, your stride length, and information like that, so that we can save it on our server and use that and refer to that as you're running in a treadmill workout or treadmill race. So let's start at the 5 miles an hour speed, where it says Do Test Now. Just tap that. See, we want you to set your treadmill at 5 miles an hour and run for 3 minutes. Tap OK. And then when you click tap the Start button, a 30-second countdown starts up. And this is to allow you to set your treadmill at the 5 miles per hour and get that up to speed so that when the countdown is over with, it will begin configuring your stride length and stride frequency. And then at the end of the 3-minute period, it will tell you that you can stop and save your configuration. So we're going to go back now, and we'll go on back home, and we'll go to the real function. The primary function of Sociercise is the real-time racing. This is the most exciting feature that we have right now. And so let's select an outside race. Okay. And now what this is our Sociercise Race Times calendar. And as you see here, we have several different races scheduled throughout the day. And these races range from 1 kilometer quick race, 5Ks, all the way up to half marathons. So let's go ahead and click on the 1 kilometer race. And here we see the time of the race, the name of the race, the category, what race it is, where people can participate from, their fitness level, and the current participants. Well, we want to confirm our participation in the race, so tap the button up on top. You can also invite your Facebook friends to participate so that they can download the application and run with you at the same time in the same race. And once we've confirmed our participation, we get to this screen, which is the main race interface screen. On this screen, you can see the countdown. The race will begin in 5 minutes. You'll be able to see your position, the distance remaining in the race, your estimated finish time, how long it's going to take you to finish the race, and how you're doing against how you ran last week. So once you've run this a few times, you'll get a green or a red box there that shows whether you're doing better than last time or worse than last time. And while we're waiting for the race to start, we can tap on the music button up on top. And from here, you can select your playlist from your music library on your iPhone. And you can also set your preferences for audio cues. You can be notified when someone passes you in a race, when you pass somebody in a race, and you can set how often these messages should come up. So if you want to change any of those preferences, just tap Save Your Preferences, and you'll get the notification that they've been saved successfully. So in 4 minutes, we're going to be racing. And so when you're racing in this, there's other things that you can do. We're going to do a different video that shows exactly what you can do from this race interface screen during a race. So that will come at another time. But right now you have the basic information you need to get in the race today. So good luck and good racing. And visit Sociercise.com for more information or support if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much.